Don't nobody love you, nigga. Smoke break. Yo, she sound like Gail, Lord. Anyway, I ain't get no sleep in like 2 days, nigga. Hold up, though. Hey, yo. Fiend standing line at the brass section, and we still had cracking niggas for ass batting. You still directing traffic and back testing? Or you in the jar got the glass sweating? I just did 1,020 minutes. I went and got it, nobody let me get it. You gotta know how to penny pinch it, but don't be selfish, nigga, there's plenty in it. Shit booming. Wow. And nobody love you, nigga. Coming to get you.